We need your blessing.
A nílò ìbùkún
We
yín.
need your word.
A nílò ọ̀rọ̀
We
yín.
need your spirit.
A nílò ẹ̀mí
We
yín.
need your guidance in
A
life.
nílò ìtọ́ni yín nínú ayé.
Lead us in your word in Jesus' name.
Ẹ darí wa nínú ọ̀rọ̀ yín ní orúkọ Jésù.
We know you love us.
A mọ̀ wípé ẹ fẹ́ràn
And you
wa.
are going to do good to every one of
Ẹ
us.
ó sì ṣe gbogbo wa níre.
As you reveal your will to us this day, may we have the grace from you to be able to live a happy life within marriage in Jesus' name.
Bí a ṣe fi ìfẹ́ yín hàn wá lónìí láti inú ọ̀rọ̀ yín, à ń béèrè pé kí ẹ fún wa ní oore ọ̀fẹ́ láti lè gbé ìgbé ayé náà kí a bá lè ní ìgbéyàwó tó láyọ̀ ní orúkọ Jésù.
We know you have answered.
A mọ̀ wípé ẹ ti dáhùn.
In Jesus' name we pray.
Ní orúkọ Jésù ni a gbàdúrà.
By the special grace of God, we have been making progress on the series of teachings on marriage, the home, and the family.
Nípa àkànṣe orí ọ̀fẹ́ Ọlọ́run, a ti ní ìtẹ̀síwájú nínú oníkan òjọ̀kan àwọn ẹ̀kọ́ tí a ní nípa ẹbí, ìgbéyàwó àti ìtọ́jú àwọn ọmọ.
Already we have gone as far as how a believing couple or how two people planning to get married together can plan the wedding, and now they come together in biblical marriage.
A ti dé ibi tó jẹ́ pé a ti kẹ́kọ̀ọ́ nípa àkókò tí àwọn méjèèjì tí wọ́n jọ gbèrò papọ̀ àti àkókò tí wọ́n jọ rìn papọ̀ tí wọ́n sì gbèrò ohun gbogbo tí wọ́n jókòó tí wọ́n fọ̀rọ̀ jómi tó rọrọ̀ nípa ìgbéyàwó wọn.
Today we want to give attention to what a new family has to understand, and so we title the message "Help for the Newly Married."
Lónìí a fẹ́ ṣe àyẹ̀wò lórí nǹkan tí àwọn tó ṣẹ̀ṣẹ̀ gbéyàwó ní láti mọ̀, nítorí náà ṣe àkórí rẹ̀ gẹ́gẹ́ bí ìrànlọ́wọ́ fún àwọn tó ṣẹ̀ṣẹ̀ ṣègbéyàwó.
And that doesn't mean only those who got married yesterday or 2 weeks ago. Newly married, you know, if you are still 1 year, you are still new in this thing, you don't know anything as yet.
Eléyìí kò túmọ̀ sí pé àwọn tó ṣègbéyàwó lánàá tàbí àwọn tó ṣègbéyàwó ní ọ̀sẹ̀ díẹ̀ sẹ́yìn tàbí àwọn tí ó ṣe ìgbéyàwó ní ọdún tó kọjá. Bí o bá ṣe ìgbéyàwó lọ́dún tó kọjá pàápàá o ṣe ìgbéyàwó ni.
If you can still remember the date you got married and the picture is still fresh in your mind, you are part of my crowd, just listen, you are newly married.
Bí o bá jẹ́ pé o mọ ọjọ́ gan tí o ṣègbéyàwó, gbogbo rẹ̀ ó sì jẹ́ ọ̀tun nínú ọkàn rẹ̀, o lè rántí ohun gbogbo tó ṣẹlẹ̀ lọ́jọ́ náà. Ìwọ tẹ́tí sí mi wà nínú ẹgbẹ́ àwọn tí mò ń bá sọ̀rọ̀.
Now for those who have forgotten the day you got married, it's so long away that you just don't know whether it was Saturday or Wednesday. It's never late to start a good thing, so listen and you'll receive help as well.
Nítorí náà fún àwọn tó jẹ́ pé wọ́n tilẹ̀ ti gbàgbé ọjọ́ tí wọ́n ṣègbéyàwó, yálà ọjọ́ àbámẹ́ta ni tàbí ọjọ́rú ni tí wọn kò tilẹ̀ lè sọ ìgbà tí wọ́n ṣègbéyàwó mọ́, ìwọ sáà fọkàn balẹ̀, ohun tí mo ń sọ yìí wà fún ìwọ pẹ̀lú.
The beginning of anything is very important.
Ìbẹ̀rẹ̀ ohun gbogbo ó ṣe pàtàkì.
In particular, the beginning of the home, of marriage, and the family is very important to you.
Ní pàtàkì jùlọ ìbẹ̀rẹ̀ ìdílé, ìbẹ̀rẹ̀ ìgbéyàwó àti ìbẹ̀rẹ̀ ẹbí kan ó ṣe pàtàkì fún ìwọ.
In Psalm 11 verse 3, we are told, if the foundations be destroyed, what can the righteous do?
Nínú ìwé orin Dáfídì orí 11 ẹsẹ̀ 3 sọ fún wa wípé bí ìpìlẹ̀ bá bàjẹ́, kí ni olódodo yóò ṣe?
So as you are beginning the life of a married person, you want to understand what help the scriptures have for you.
Nítorí náà bí o ṣe ń bẹ̀rẹ̀ ìgbésí ayé ẹni tó ṣẹ̀ṣẹ̀ ṣègbéyàwó, o fẹ́ mọ kí ni ìwé mímọ́ ní fún ọ.
In Proverbs chapter 19 verse 20.
Nínú ìwé òwe orí 19 ẹsẹ̀ 20.
Talking to those of us who have just got into this marriage, the word of God says, hear counsel, receive instruction that thou mayest be wise in thy latter end.
Ó ń bá iye àwa tí a ṣẹ̀ṣẹ̀ ṣègbéyàwó sọ̀rọ̀, ó ń sì ń sọ fún wa wípé fetí sí ìmọ̀ kí o sì gba ẹ̀kọ́ kí ìwọ kí o lè gbọ́n ní ìgbẹ̀yìn rẹ.
How you start that marriage, how you plan that marriage, how you plan to live together in harmony and in unity and fellowship will determine your life, your peace, your future rest within that family. Therefore, hear instruction, receive counsel, and it will make you wise for the latter time.
bí o ṣe bẹ̀rẹ̀ ìgbéyàwó yìí bí o ṣe gbèrò ìgbéyàwó yìí eléyìí ni yóò mú kí o láyọ̀ kí ẹ wà ní ìrẹ́pọ̀ kí ẹ sì wà ní ìdàpọ̀ kí ẹ sì wà ní ìṣọ̀kan pẹ̀lú ara yín nísinsìnyí àti ní ìgbà gbogbo bí o bá lè fetí sí ìmọ̀ kí o sì gba ẹ̀kọ́ kí wọ́n kí o lè gbọ́n ní ìgbẹ̀yìn rẹ.
For those who have not got married, I want to remind you of the words of Jesus Christ in Matthew chapter 13.
Fún àwọn tí kò tí ì ṣègbéyàwó mo fẹ́ rán létí ọ̀rọ̀ Jésù Kristi nínú ìwé Mátí orí 13.
Verses 16 and 17.
Ẹsẹ̀ ìkẹrìndínlógún àti ìkẹtàdínlógún.
You have not gone into it, but you are still looking forward.
O kò tí ì dáwọ́lé ṣùgbọ́n o sì ń fojú sọ́nà ni.
It says in Matthew chapter 13 verses 16 and 17.
Ó sọ nínú ìwé Mátí orí 13 ẹsẹ̀ ìkẹrìndínlógún àti ìkẹtàdínlógún.
But blessed are your eyes for what they see and your ears for what they hear.
Ṣùgbọ́n ìbùkún ni fún ojú yín nítorí tí wọ́n rí àti fún etí yín nítorí tí wọ́n gbọ́.
For verily I say unto you that many prophets and righteous men have desired to see those things which ye see, and have not seen them, and to hear those things which ye hear, and have not heard them.
Lóòótọ́ ni mo wí fún yín, ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ wòlíì àti olódodo ní ń fẹ́ rí ohun tí ẹ̀yin rí, wọn kò sì rí wọn, wọ́n sì ń fẹ́ gbọ́ ohun tí ẹ gbọ́, wọn kò sì gbọ́ wọn.
Now you know how wonderful it is as you have been listening to these messages on marriage, and yet marriage for you is future, and so you have adequate preparation and understanding before you ever go into it.
Síbẹ̀ ó rí i pé ó jẹ́ àgbàyanu fún ọ bí ó ṣe ń gbọ́ àwọn oníkanòjọ̀kan nípa ẹ̀kọ́ ìgbéyàwó yìí tó sì jẹ́ pé ìgbéyàwó tirẹ̀ ó sì wà ní ọjọ́ iwájú nítorí náà ó jẹ́ ìbùkún fún ọ.
As well for help to the newly married, I want to particularly center on three things.
Bí a ó ṣe sọ̀rọ̀ lórí ìrànlọ́wọ́ fún àwọn tó ṣẹ̀yẹ̀ ṣègbéyàwó yìí mo fẹ́ sọ̀rọ̀ lórí ohun mẹ́ta ní pàtó.
1. Living. To leave something.
Èkíní òun ni fífi sílẹ̀.
2. Learning.
Èkejì kíkẹ́kọ̀ọ́.
And 3. Loving.
Ẹ̀kẹta fífẹ́ràn.
Or you go back to number 1 again.
A ó tún padà sí èyí èkíní.
1. Cleaving.
Èkíní sísopọ̀ mọ́.
And covering. Number 2.
Èkejì dídàpọ̀ mọ́.
And 3. Caring.
Ẹ̀kẹta títọ́jú.
Put them into pairs.
Ìwọ pín wọn lọ́tọ̀ọ̀tọ̀.
That means number 1. Living and cleaving.
Èyí èkíní fi sílẹ̀ láti dàpọ̀ mọ́.
Number 2, learning and covering.
Èkejì kíkẹ́kọ̀ọ́ kí o sì dáàbòbò.
And number 3, loving and caring.
Ẹ̀kẹta fífẹ́ràn kí o sì ṣètọ́jú.
You see, in marriage,
nínú ìgbéyàwó.
you're moving from one stage to another stage.
Ó tilẹ̀ lè jẹ́ pé láti ìpínlẹ̀ kan sí òmíràn.
You're moving from relationship with one group of people to relationship to another set of people.
Ó ń lọ láti ní ìbáṣepọ̀ láti inú àwọn ènìyàn kan lọ sínú ìbáṣepọ̀ pẹ̀lú àwọn ènìyàn mìíràn.
You are going out of a place and you are getting into another place.
Ó ń kúrò ní ibì kan ó sì ń lọ sí ibòmíràn.
Or you are being separated from some people only to be joined together to another person.
À ń yà ọ́ nípa kúrò ní ọ̀dọ̀ àwọn ènìyàn kan ṣùgbọ́n kí a so ọ́ pọ̀ pẹ̀lú ẹnìkan.
And whenever things happen like that, readjustments are necessary.
Nígbà tí nǹkan bá sì ṣẹlẹ̀ bẹ́ẹ̀ ó dára láti pé kí ènìyàn tún gbogbo nǹkan ṣe.
I remember coming out of a secondary school.
Mo rántí jíjáde ní kọ́lẹ́jì.
And all the friends I'd ever known since I started secondary school we have been together, learning together, sharing together.
Gbogbo àwọn ọ̀rẹ́ tí mo sì ti mọ̀ láti ìgbà tí mo ti wà ní kọ́lẹ́jì tí a jọ ń rìn papọ̀ tí a jọ ní ìdàpọ̀ papọ̀ tí a jọ ń ṣe gbogbo nǹkan pọ̀.
But the year I entered university, I had to leave the people I knew before, and I was in an entirely new situation, new environment.
Àwọn tí mo sì ti mọ̀ tẹ́lẹ̀ mo ní láti fi wọ́n sílẹ̀ nítorí pé mo ti wà ní agbègbè àti ibi tó yàtọ̀ gédégédé.
A student leaving secondary school to university loses contact with all the former friends.
Ọmọ iléèwé tó kúrò ní kọ́lẹ́jì tó ń lọ sí yunifásitì àti rí àwọn ọ̀rẹ́ rẹ̀ àtijọ́ kò ní ṣe é ṣe.
All former close associates.
Gbogbo àwọn ẹlẹgbẹ́ rẹ̀ àtijọ́.
That student is leaving a group of people to come in to associate with a new group of people.
Ọmọ iléèwé yìí ó fi àwọn àwùjọ àwọn ènìyàn kan sílẹ̀ nísinsìnyí wọ́n á darapọ̀ mọ́ ẹgbẹ́ àwọn ènìyàn kan.
Some students adjust very quickly, but some other students are very, very slow in adjusting.
Àwọn ọmọ iléèwé mìíràn ó tètè máa ń yá wọn kankan láti darapọ̀ mọ́ ibi tí wọ́n wà ṣùgbọ́n fún àwọn ọmọ iléèwé mìíràn ó máa ń ní wọn lára díẹ̀.
You know what happens to an adult when he's transferred from his place of work to a far away town to go and be working there?
Ọmọ tó máa ń ṣẹlẹ̀ sí àgbàlagbà nígbà tí a bá gbé kúrò ní ibi iṣẹ́ rẹ̀ kí ó lọ sí ibi tó jìnnà rere láti lọ máa ṣiṣẹ́.
His office environment he knew before totally changed. changed now.
agbègbè ibi iṣẹ́ rẹ̀ tó mọ̀ tẹ́lẹ̀ ò ti yí padà
Close
nísinsìnyí.
friends and close workers totally changed. He's lost contact with them.
àwọn ọ̀rẹ́ tímọ́tímọ́ rẹ̀ àti ojúlùmọ̀ rẹ̀ gbogbo wọn ni kò rí mọ́.
His neighbors in the place he's living, he's lost contact with them. He goes to a new environment completely.
gbogbo àwọn alábàágbé rẹ̀ ni ó ti jìnnà sí nítorí náà ibi tó yàtọ̀ gédégédé ló lọ.
If he's able to adjust, life will be good for him. If he's not able to adjust, he may be miserable in that place of work.
bí ó bá jẹ́ pé ó lè tètè yí padà kí ó sì darapọ̀ mọ́ àwọn ènìyàn wọ̀nyí yóò gbádùn bẹ̀ ṣùgbọ́n bí ó bá ní lára tí ó sì fẹ́ ó lè jẹ́ abùsì níbẹ̀.
The same thing in marriage.
bákan náà ni nínú ìgbéyàwó.
There are people we have been close with before, we just have to leave them when we get married.
àwọn kan wà tó jẹ́ pé a ti súnmọ́ tímọ́tímọ́ tẹ́lẹ̀ tí a ní láti fi sílẹ̀ nígbà tá a bá ṣègbéyàwó.
So that brings us to point 1, leaving and cleaving.
eléyìí mú wa nítorí náà lè mú wa wá sínú kókó kìíní fífi sílẹ̀ láti dàpọ̀ mọ́.
Genesis chapter 2 verse 18.
Genesis orí kejì ẹsẹ̀ ìkejìdínlógún.
And the Lord God said, it is not good that the man should be alone. I will make an help meet for him.
olúwa ọlọ́run sì wí pé kò dára kí ọkùnrin náà kí ó nìkan máa gbé èmi ó ṣe olùrànlọ́wọ́ tí ó dàbí rẹ̀ fún un.
Verse 21.
ẹsẹ̀ kọkànlélógún.
And the Lord God caused a deep sleep to fall upon Adam, and he slept, and he took one of his ribs and closed up the flesh thereof.
olúwa ọlọ́run sì mú oorun ìjìká fún ádámù ó sì sùn ó sì yọ ọ̀kan nínú egungun ìhà rẹ̀ ó sì fi ẹran dí ipò rẹ̀.
And the rib which the Lord had taken from the man made he a woman, and brought her unto the man.
olúwa ọlọ́run sì fi egungun ìhà tí ó mú ní ìhà ọkùnrin náà mọ́ obìnrin ó sì mú un tọ ọkùnrin náà wá.
And Adam said, this is now bone of my bones and flesh of my flesh. She shall be called woman, because she was taken out of man.
ádámù sì wí pé èyí yìí lé egungun nínú egungun mi àti ẹran ara nínú ẹran ara mi obìnrin lè a ó máa pè é nítorí tí a mú un jáde láti ara ọkùnrin wá.
Verse 24.
ẹsẹ̀
And this is
kẹrìnlélógún.
where we got those two words. Therefore shall a man leave his father and his mother, and shall cleave unto his wife, and they shall be one flesh.
ibi tí a sì ti rí ọ̀rọ̀ yìí nìyí nítorí náà ni ọkùnrin yóò ṣe máa fi bàbá òun ìyá rẹ̀ sílẹ̀ yóò sì fi ara mọ́ aya rẹ̀ wọn ó sì di ara kan.
Genesis chapter 24.
Genesis orí kẹrìnlélógún.
Verse 67.
ẹsẹ̀ ìkẹtàdínláàádọ́rin.
And Isaac brought her into his mother Sarah's tent, and took Rebekah, and she became his wife, and he loved her. And Isaac was comforted after his mother's death.
Ísákì sì mú un wá sí inú àgọ́ Sárà ìyá rẹ̀ ó sì mú Rèbékà ó di aya rẹ̀ ó sì fẹ́ ẹ a sì tu Ísákì nínú lẹ́yìn ikú ìyá rẹ̀.
As soon as Isaac got married to Rebekah,
ní kété tí Ísákì tó fẹ́ Rèbékà
he had to stay and abide in his own tent rather than in the tent of Abraham.
ó ní láti dúró kí ó sì máa gbé inú ilé tirẹ̀ dípò kí ó máa gbé inú ilé Ábúráhámù.
Because Sarah had died,
nítorí pé Sárà ti kú nísinsìnyí.
and Isaac was using the tent of Sarah.
Ísákì sì ń lo àgọ́ ti Sárà.
And now it says Isaac brought her into his mother Sarah's tent.
nísinsìnyí ó sì wí pé Ísákì sì mú un wá sí inú àgọ́ Sárà ìyá rẹ̀.
She became his wife, and they loved one another.
ó sì di aya rẹ̀ wọ́n sì fẹ́ràn ara wọn.
In Proverbs chapter 5,
nínú ìwé òwe orí karùn-ún
reading verses 15 to 18.
ẹsẹ̀ ìkẹẹ̀ẹ́dógún títí dé ìkejìdínlógún.
All these verses emphasize that there is a cleaving to, a joining to, a relationship and fellowship with when we get married, and then we live the close association and intimacy with our parents which we had before.
gbogbo àwọn ẹsẹ̀ wọ̀nyí ni ó sì ń sọ fún wa nípa ìdàpọ̀ pẹ̀lú nípa ìsopọ̀ ṣọ̀kan nípa ìní ìdàpọ̀ papọ̀ nígbà tí a bá ti ṣègbéyàwó kí a sì fi àti pé kí a sì fi àwọn kan sílẹ̀ yìí ni àwọn òbí wa láti lè darapọ̀ mọ́ aya wa.
Now in Proverbs 5:15, drink waters out of thine own cistern, and running waters out of thine own well.
jẹ́ kí orísun rẹ kí ó ní ìbùkún. òwe orí karùn-ún ẹsẹ̀
15.
ẹsẹ̀ kẹẹ̀ẹ́dógún mu omi láti inú kúdù rẹ àti omi tí ń ṣàn láti inú kànga rẹ.
Now that is just saying in clean language, scripture language, keep to your wife.
eléyìí ń sọ ní èdè tí ìwé mímọ́ wípé dúró pẹ̀lú aya rẹ.
Verse 17.
ẹsẹ̀ kẹtàdínlógún.
Let them be only thine own, and not the strangers with thee.
kí wọn kí ó jẹ́ kìkì tirẹ̀ kí ó má ṣe ti àwọn àjèjì pẹ̀lú rẹ.
Let thy fountain be blessed, and rejoice with the wife of thy youth.
jẹ́ kí orísun rẹ kí ó ní ìbùkún kí ìwọ kí ó sì máa yọ̀ tiwọ́ ti aya ìgbà èwe rẹ.
Song of Solomon chapter 2 verse 14 to verse 16.
orin Sólómọ́nì orí kejì ẹsẹ̀ ìkẹrìnlá títí dé ìkẹrìndínlógún.
Song of Solomon chapter 2 verse 14 to verse 16.
orin Sólómọ́nì orí kejì ẹsẹ̀ ìkẹrìnlá dé ìkẹrìndínlógún.
O my dove, thou art in the clefts of the rock, in the secret places of the stairs. Let me see thy countenance, let me hear thy voice, for sweet is thy voice, and thy countenance is comely. Take us the foxes, the little foxes that spoil the vines. For our vines have tender grapes, my beloved is mine, and I am his. He feedeth among the lilies.
àdàbà mi tí ó wà nínú pàlàpàlà òkúta ní ibi ìkọ̀kọ̀ òkúta jẹ́ kí èmi rí ojú rẹ jẹ́ kí èmi gbọ́ ohùn rẹ nítorí dídùn ní ohùn rẹ ojú rẹ sì lé ẹwà. mú àwọn kọ̀lọ̀kọ̀lọ̀ fún wa àwọn kọ̀lọ̀kọ̀lọ̀ kéékèèké tí ń ba àjàrà jẹ́ nítorí àjàrà wa ní ìtànná. olùfẹ́ mi ní tèmi èmi sì ní tirẹ̀ oúnjẹ láàrin àwọn lílì.
There is close fellowship and relationship when you have just got married.
ìdàpọ̀ tímọ́tímọ́ àti ìbáṣepọ̀ tímọ́tímọ́ ń bẹ nígbà tí ènìyàn bá ṣẹ̀ṣẹ̀ ṣègbéyàwó.
Now you know that the tendency is still to be attached to your parents.
ó mọ̀ pé ohun tí ó máa ń ṣẹlẹ̀ ní pé kí o tún ní ìsopọ̀ pẹ̀lú àwọn òbí rẹ.
After you have married.
lẹ́yìn tí o ti ṣègbéyàwó.
Or with some people who have been your friends before.
tàbí pẹ̀lú àwọn kan tí wọ́n ti jẹ́ ọ̀rẹ́ rẹ tẹ́lẹ̀.
But if you have just married, will you please understand that God expects you to leave the past and then join to this person who is to spend the future with you all throughout life.
ṣùgbọ́n bí o bá ṣẹ̀ṣẹ̀ ṣègbéyàwó ǹjẹ́ o ní láti mọ̀ wípé o ní láti yàgò kúrò nínú ti àtijọ́ nísinsìnyí kí o wá dàpọ̀ pẹ̀lú ẹni tó ṣẹ̀ṣẹ̀ fẹ́ gẹ́gẹ́ bí aya.
Now you need to really think about what I'm going to say now to understand.
o ní láti ronú jinlẹ̀ lórí ohun tí mo fẹ́ sọ nísinsìnyí kí ó bàa lè yé ọ.
Now as you're newly married, you ought to understand 3 groups of people that you leave.
bí o ṣe ṣẹ̀ṣẹ̀ ṣègbéyàwó o ní láti lóye àwọn ènìyàn mẹ́ta ọ̀tọ̀ọ̀tọ̀ tí òun fi sílẹ̀.
That doesn't mean you don't talk to them anymore.
eléyìí kò túmọ̀ sí pé o kò ní bá wọn sọ̀rọ̀ mọ́.
It doesn't mean you don't go into their houses anymore.
eléyìí kò túmọ̀ sí pé o kò ní lọ sílé wọn mọ́.
It does not mean that you don't seek for counseling or for advice whenever necessary.
eléyìí kò túmọ̀ sí pé o kò ní gba ìmọ̀ràn tàbí àbá lọ́dọ̀ wọn nígbà tó bá ṣe tó bá.
When it comes to your marriage,
ṣùgbọ́n nígbà tó bá kan ti ìgbéyàwó
you
rẹ.
realize that only you and your wife, only you and your husband can build that home and make that home what it ought to be.
wàá mọ̀ wípé ìwọ pẹ̀lú aya rẹ ìwọ pẹ̀lú ọkọ rẹ nìkan ni ẹ lè jọ fọwọ́sowọ́pọ̀ láti mú kí ilé yìí jẹ́ ohun tí ó yẹ kó jẹ́.
Number 1, you leave your caring parents.
ìkíní wàá fi àwọn òbí rẹ tó ń tọ́jú sílẹ̀.
Number 2, the concerned people.
èkejì àwọn abánikẹ́dùn.
And number 3, this may surprise you, the counseling pastor.
ìkẹta eléyìí lè yà ọ́ lẹ́nu olùṣọ́ àgùntàn tó ń gbani nímọ̀ràn.
Now when you get married,
nígbà tó bá ṣègbéyàwó.
realize that your parents care for you.
mọ̀ wípé àwọn òbí rẹ̀ ń tọ́jú rẹ̀.
And therefore they will like to poke nose into every little detail of the marriage.
nítorí náà wọ́n á fẹ́ láti máa yọjú sí gbogbo nǹkan tí ẹ bá ń ṣe nínú ìgbéyàwó náà.
Like you to come and report back to them, how is it going?
wọ́n fẹ́ kí o padà tọ̀ wọ́n wá nísinsìnyí kí o wá sọ fún wọn báwo ni gbogbo nǹkan
But you don't have anything to say yet.
ṣùgbọ́n o kò ní nǹkan kan láti sọ
Because you are new in this marriage.
nítorí pé ẹ ṣẹ̀ṣẹ̀ dáwọ́lé ìgbéyàwó
You need to deliberately plan on how to make the marriage successful.
ẹ ní láti jọ jókòó kí ẹ sì gbèrò nípa bí ẹ ṣe mú kí ìgbéyàwó rẹ kó ní
So you don't keep running to the caring parents that, well, this is what I see or this is what I don't see.
ẹ̀kẹ́ má bàa máa sátọ̀ àwọn òbí lọ nígbà gbogbo wípé nǹkan tí mo rí nìyí nǹkan tí kò rí nìyí.
And you will not be going there every day, every night.
o kò sì ní máa sá lọ síbẹ̀ lọ́sàn-án àti lóru.
Now to the concerned people.
èkejì àwọn abánikẹ́dùn.
That means your close friends.
èyí ni pé àwọn ọ̀rẹ́ rẹ.
After you have got married, you have got married.
lẹ́yìn tó bá ti ṣègbéyàwó ó ti ṣègbéyàwó.
And those concerned people,
àwọn abánikẹ́dùn wọ̀nyí.
you can still discuss business, you can still discuss material things, you can still discuss work, but marriage never.
ẹ sì lè jọ sọ̀rọ̀ nípa iṣẹ́, ẹ sì lè jọ sọ̀rọ̀ nípa òwò tàbí ọjà títà, ṣùgbọ́n nígbà tó bá kan ti ìgbéyàwó rárá.
And there are some foolish concerned people
àwọn abánikẹ́dùn mìíràn tí wọ́n tún yóò mùgọ́ wá.
who come to ask newly married people,
wọ́n wá láti wọ́n máa béèrè lọ́wọ́ àwọn tó ṣẹ̀ṣẹ̀ ṣègbéyàwó.
how is she?
báwo ni obìnrin náà
How do you find her?
báwo ni ìwà rẹ̀?
How about her quiet time?
àkókò ìdákẹ́jẹ́.
Is she submissive at
ṣé
all?
ó ní ìtẹríba nínú ilé?
Ask them, is that your business?
béèrè lọ́wọ́ wọn wípé ṣé èyí kàn ọ́?
Are we training the woman together?
ṣé àjọ ń kọ́ obìnrin yìí papọ̀?
Are we living
ṣé
together?
àjọ ń gbé papọ̀ ni?
Suppose she is not what she ought to be. Can you do anything about
tí
it?
ò bá jẹ́ nǹkan tó yẹ kó jẹ́ nǹkan, ǹjẹ́ o lè ṣe nǹkan kan nípa rẹ̀?
Is she pregnant now?
ǹjẹ́ o ti lóyún nísinsìnyí?
Is that your business?
ǹjẹ́ iṣẹ́ rẹ̀ ṣé iṣẹ́ rẹ̀?
You must leave all these concerned people to cleave to your
o ní
wife.
láti fi àwọn abánikẹ́dùn wọ̀nyí sílẹ̀ kí o sì dàpọ̀ mọ́ aya rẹ̀.
Then you must also leave the counseling
o
pastor.
tún ní láti fi olùṣọ́ àgùntàn tó ń gbani nímọ̀ràn
You see, before you got married,
kí o tó ṣègbéyàwó.
we ran to the
a ó
pastor.
sá lọ bá olùṣọ́ àgùntàn.
Pastor, look at a nail in my leg. Help me pull it out. The pastor will help you pull it out.
olùṣọ́ àgùntàn wo ìṣó lẹ́sẹ̀ mi jọ̀ọ́ bá mi fà á yọ. olùṣọ́ àgùntàn yóò ràn ọ́ lọ́wọ́ láti fà á
After
yọ.
you got married, you were washing plates and the cup, slapped your hand. You go to your husband, not to the pastor.
lẹ́yìn tó ṣègbéyàwó tán tí òun fọ àwo lọ́wọ́ tí ó fọ́ tí ọ̀kan sì yà ọ́ lọ́wọ́ nínú rẹ̀ kì í ṣe olùṣọ́ àgùntàn ni wàá lọ bá bí kò ṣe ọkọ rẹ̀.
After you got married, there is a little problem. You don't run with every little problem to the pastor. Pastor, come and see what I see. The pastor will break your home.
lẹ́yìn tó bá ṣègbéyàwó tán kì í ṣe gbogbo ọ̀ràn kéékèèké ni wàá lọ máa sa ẹgbẹ́ bá olùṣọ́ àgùntàn pé olùṣọ́ àgùntàn wá wo nǹkan tí ojú mi rí, olùṣọ́ àgùntàn yóò tú ilé rẹ̀ ni.
Because the pastor will tell you to pray 24 hours of the day.
nítorí pé olùṣọ́ àgùntàn yóò sọ fún ẹ pé kí o máa gbàdúrà nínú wákàtí mẹ́rìnlélógún tí ń bẹ
You will not realize you are now married and there is time for cooking, there is time for washing, there is time for everything.
o kò ní mọ̀ wípé o ti ṣègbéyàwó nísinsìnyí pé àsìkò wà láti ṣe oúnjẹ, àkókò wà láti fọṣọ.
And all these other pastors, self-pastors, who go around asking newly married people, how is it, how is it? Let them shut up.
àwọn tí wọ́n sì gbéra wọn kalẹ̀ gẹ́gẹ́ bí olùṣọ́ àgùntàn wọ̀nyí tí wọ́n lọ káàkiri tí wọ́n sì ń béèrè lọ́wọ́ àwọn tó ṣẹ̀ṣẹ̀ ṣègbéyàwó pé báwo ni ẹ jẹ́ kí wọ́n pẹnu wọn mọ́.
And you know, sister, before you got married,
ó sì mọ̀ pé arábìnrin kí o tó ṣègbéyàwó.
every time whenever you had, something that you could solve on your own,
gbogbo ìgbà nígbà tó bá ní nǹkan tó lè yanjú
a
rẹ̀
little discouragement,
ìdálágara
a
díẹ̀,
little sadness, little problem somewhere.
ìṣòro díẹ̀ níbì kan.
Now what do you say at home?
kí ni wàá sọ nílé?
I'll go and see bro.
àmà lọ rí bùrọ̀.
I know that if I see bro, maybe on Sunday or Monday, just give me the card.
mo mọ̀ pé mo bá lè rí bùrọ̀ bóyá ọjọ́ ọ̀sẹ̀ ni tàbí ọjọ́ Monday ẹ sáà fún mi ní káàdì.
So we discuss together this small problem. We spend 5 hours on it.
o mọ̀ wípé àjọ sọ ọ̀rọ̀ yìí papọ̀ ìṣòro kékeré àwọn lò wákàtí 5 lórí rẹ̀.
Now after you've got married
nísinsìnyí lẹ́yìn tó ti ṣègbéyàwó.
and your husband said, why did you wake up at 6 o'clock? Why not 5:30? I'll go and see bro. Don't come. Stay in your house.
tí ọkọ rẹ̀ sì wí pé kí ló dé tó jí láago mẹ́fà tó jí láago 5 wá ní màá lọ rí bùrọ̀ má ṣe wá dúró nílé rẹ̀.
See your husband. He'll put you right.
rí ọkọ rẹ̀ yóò tọ́ ọ sọ́nà.
He's the head of the home and he is the one to control you.
òun ni olówó orí rẹ̀ òun sì ní ó lé láti darí rẹ̀.
Now there are difficult areas where you need to see the pastor for counseling.
àwọn ibòmíràn wà tó jẹ́ pé bóyá ọta kókó díẹ̀ tó ní láti rí olùṣọ́ àgùntàn fún.
But permit me to use this illustration.
ṣùgbọ́n gbà mí láyè láti ṣe àkàwé yìí.
Now whenever we are sick,
nígbà tí a bá ń ṣe
if
àìsàn.
there is a little headache,
ẹbí ẹ̀fọ́rí díẹ̀ bá wà.
don't go to the doctor.
àti lọ bá dókítà.
If there is a little pain in your leg,
bí ìrora díẹ̀ bá wà nínú
you don't run to the doctor immediately.
ní lọ bá dókítà lẹ́sẹ̀kẹsẹ̀.
But if there's a major accident
ṣùgbọ́n bí jàǹbá kan bá wà.
and the bone is
tí
broken,
egungun sì kàn.
well, you cannot hide that one in the home. You have to take that to the
ó
hospital.
mọ̀ wípé ò lè gbélé ìpamọ́ sí ní ilé wàá gbé lọ sí ilé ìwòsàn ni.
The same thing in the day-to-day problems of marriage. The man and the woman will sit down together, talk it over, handle it with the Bible on their own.
bákan náà ni nínú àwọn ọ̀ràn tó ń yọjú nínú ìgbéyàwó lójoojúmọ́ ọkọ àti aya wọn ní láti jọ jókòó papọ̀ ní kí wọ́n jọ sọ kí wọ́n sì jọ gbé bíbélì kalẹ̀ láti fi yanjú rẹ̀.
But if there is something that is beyond their control,
wọ́n bí nǹkan kan bá wà tó bá ga ju agbára wọn lọ.
that is so great and too deep they cannot handle privately together,
tó tóbi tó sì ga tó bẹ́ẹ̀ gẹ́ tó jẹ́ pé wọn kò lè jọ yanjú láàrin àwọn méjèèjì.
it is only then by mutual agreement they will seek help from wherever they can get help scripturally.
nígbà náà ni wọ́n lè jọ fi ohùn ṣọ̀kan láti lọ gba ìrànlọ́wọ́ níbi tí wọ́n bá rí pé wọ́n ti gbà á.
That means we're leaving these people, the parents, the people, and the pastor.
èyí ni pé à ń fi àwọn ènìyàn wọ̀nyí sílẹ̀, àwọn òbí, àwọn abánikẹ́dùn àti olùṣọ́ àgùntàn.
So that we can have time and understanding to understand ourselves and then take care of the home together.
kí ẹ bá lè ráyè láti jọ lóye ara yín kẹ̀sì jọ tọ́jú ilé papọ̀.
Now when you get married, you cleave to your wife and the wife will cleave to the husband.
nígbà tó bá ṣègbéyàwó ọkọ yóò dàpọ̀ mọ́ aya rẹ̀, aya yóò dàpọ̀ mọ́ ọkọ rẹ̀.
Now in Genesis chapter 2, let's read it again.
ẹ jẹ́ kí a tún ka ìwé Genesis orí kejì lẹ́ẹ̀kan sí.
Verse 24.
ẹsẹ̀ ìkẹrìnlélógún.
Therefore shall a man leave his father and mother, and shall cleave unto his wife, and they shall be one flesh.
nítorí náà ni ọkùnrin yóò ṣe máa fi bàbá òun ìyá rẹ̀ sílẹ̀, yóò sì fi ara mọ́ aya rẹ̀, wọn ó sì di ara kan.
Matthew chapter 19.
Matthew orí kọkàndínlógún.
Verse 5.
ẹsẹ̀ ìkarùn-ún.
For this cause shall a man leave father and mother, and shall cleave unto his wife, and they twain shall be one flesh. Therefore they are no more twain, but one flesh.
nítorí èyí ni ọkùnrin yóò ṣe fi bàbá àti ìyá rẹ̀ sílẹ̀, yóò fà mọ́ aya rẹ̀, àwọn méjèèjì á sì di ara kan. nítorí náà wọn kì í ṣe méjì mọ́ bí kò ṣe ara kan.
Ephesians chapter 5.
Éfésù orí karùn-ún.
Verse 31.
ẹsẹ̀ ìkọkànlélọ́gbọ̀n.
For this cause shall a man leave his father and mother, and shall be joined unto his wife, and they two shall be one flesh.
nítorí èyí ni ọkùnrin yóò ṣe fi bàbá àti ìyá rẹ̀ sílẹ̀, òun ó sì dàpọ̀ mọ́ aya rẹ̀, àwọn méjèèjì á sì di ara kan.
Now the word cleave means to have a bond that cannot be broken.
dídàpọ̀ mọ́ ó túmọ̀ sí pé kí ènìyàn tí ó ní ìsopọ̀ tó jẹ́ pé a kò lè já.
You know, the strongest type of gum, you call it glue.
ó mọ̀ wípé ohun tí a fi lẹ̀ nǹkan papọ̀ ní èdè òyìnbó à ń pè ní glue.
And in the Greek, or sorry, in the Hebrew, it means you are glued together in a covenant relationship with this other person.
èyí ni pé ní èdè gíríkì ẹ̀yin méjèèjì a ti lẹ̀ yín papọ̀ nínú ìbáṣepọ̀
Now it means two hearts that are diligently, utterly committed to one another in love. They are stuck together in the will, in the heart, in the spirit, in their emotion. They are all joined together, not to be broken.
èyí ni pé àwọn ọkàn méjì tí a mú wá papọ̀ tí a sì lẹ̀ papọ̀ nínú ìṣọ̀kan wọn, nínú ìfẹ́ wọn, nínú ìfẹ́ inú wọn àti nínú gbogbo tó ń bá ń ṣe.
Authorities in languages, the ancient languages like Hebrew and Greek, they tell us that the Hebrew word used for marriage is kiddushin.
àwọn aláṣẹ nínú èdè Hébérù àti Gíríkì wọ́n sọ fún wa wípé èdè náà tí a lò fún ìgbéyàwó òun náà ni kídúṣì.
And this word means that you are in a covenant and there is a consecration, a setting apart from society to one another.
gbólóhùn ọ̀rọ̀ yìí ó sì wá túmọ̀ sí pé ẹ̀yin méjèèjì ẹ ti yà kúrò nínú àwọn àwùjọ nínú ayé, ṣùgbọ́n ẹ̀yin méjèèjì ẹ ti wá papọ̀ nísinsìnyí.
The wife is saying, I am separated completely and totally unto the husband, and the husband is saying, I am totally and completely separated from all else unto the wife.
aya yóò máa wí pé òun ti yapa pátápátá kúrò lọ́dọ̀ gbogbo ènìyàn, nísinsìnyí òun wá fà mọ́ ọkọ. bákan náà ni ọkọ yóò máa wí nǹkan kan náà wípé òun ti yapa kúrò lọ́dọ̀ gbogbo èèyàn, ti wá dàpọ̀ mọ́ aya òun.
In 1 Corinthians chapter 7,
nínú Kọ́ríńtì kínní orí keje
verses 3 and 4.
ẹsẹ̀ ìkẹta àti ìkẹrin.
The husband render unto the wife due benevolence, and likewise also the wife unto the husband.
kí ọkọ kí ó máa ṣe ohun tí ó yẹ sí aya, bẹ́ẹ̀ gẹ́gẹ́ sì lé aya pẹ̀lú sí ọkọ.
The wife has no power over her own body but the husband.
aya kò lé agbára lórí ara rẹ̀ bí kò ṣe ọkọ.
You see, you become totally yielded and submitted unto that man.
wàá jọ̀wọ́ ara rẹ̀ pátápátá fún ọkùnrin yìí.
Your body, your life, your emotions, your everything committed to making this marriage work with your husband.
gbogbo ìgbésí ayé rẹ, ọkàn rẹ, ìmọ̀lára rẹ, gbogbo rẹ àti ìmọ̀ nínú rẹ ni wàá fi fún ọkùnrin yìí.
And likewise also the husband has not power of his own body, but the wife.
bẹ́ẹ̀ gẹ́gẹ́ lé ọkọ pẹ̀lú kò sí lé agbára lórí ara rẹ̀ bí kò ṣe aya.
Now you see it sometimes just one way in the world.
ní ìgbà mìíràn ó máa ń dàbẹ́ ni pé ọ̀nà kan ṣáá ni nínú ayé.
You know, the husbands expect total commitment and total consecration, total setting apart from the wife, but the husband doesn't give the same commitment to the wife.
ní ìgbà mìíràn ọkọ máa ń retí ìfaranijì àti ìyanisọ́tọ̀ pátápátá fún ọkọ nígbà tí ọkọ kò ní ṣe nǹkan kan náà.
But you see, the scripture puts it on both sides.
ìgbà ìwé mímọ́ ó jẹ́ kó di iṣẹ́ ojúṣe àwọn méjèèjì.
You commit yourself completely to your wife.
wàá fi ara rẹ jì pátápátá fún aya
And
rẹ.
then she commits herself totally to the husband.
ìyá aya pẹ̀lú yóò fi ara rẹ jì pátápátá fún ọkọ
In
rẹ̀.
such a strong bond of love and affection that cannot be broken.
lọ́nà ìsopọ̀ tó jẹ́ pé ó lágbára ó sì le tí a kò lè já.
And in this same 1 Corinthians chapter 7, look at verse 33.
nínú ìwé Kọ́ríńtì yìí kan náà orí kejì ẹsẹ̀ ìkẹtàlélọ́gbọ̀n.
But he that is married careth for the things that are of the world, that he may please his wife.
ṣùgbọ́n ẹni tí ó gbéyàwó a máa ṣe ìtọ́jú ohun ti ayé bí ó ṣe lè wun aya rẹ̀.
Now you see in that place it says that he must please his wife.
ní orí tó sọ wípé ó gbọ́dọ̀ tẹ́ aya rẹ̀ ó gbọ́dọ̀ wu aya rẹ̀.
Those who are not scripturally taught but denominationally brainwashed, they say that, well, if you please your wife, that's a sign of weakness.
àwọn mìíràn tó jẹ́ pé àwọn kan ti kọ́ nípa ẹ̀sìn lásán ni wọ́n máa wí tí wọ́n kò kọ́ gẹ́gẹ́ bí ìwé mọ́ ti wí wọ́n máa wí pé bí o bá wun aya rẹ̀ eléyìí ni wípé o jẹ́ aláìlera.
And some miserable counselors, they go around telling them, I hope that you are not pleasing your wife, because you know if you do, that's weakness.
àwọn abòṣì agbaninímọ̀ràn mìíràn wọ́n máa lọ káàkiri wọ́n máa sọ wípé mo lérò wípé o kò wun aya rẹ̀ bí o bá wù ó túmọ̀ sí àìlera fún ọ.
You know, she's not a servant, she's a wife.
ọmọ ọ̀dọ̀ kọ́ ní í ṣe ìyàwó ni.
And the Bible says, he that is married careth, and he careth for things that are material, secular, physical, emotional. That's all that is called the things of the world there, that he may please and satisfy his wife.
níyìn ó sì sọ wípé ẹni tó gbéyàwó a máa ṣe ìtọ́jú ohun tí ṣe ti ayé eléyìí ni àwọn nǹkan ní gẹ́gẹ́ bí ìfẹ́ àti ìmọ̀lára àti ìmọ̀ nínú àti ìmọ̀ lọ́kàn obìnrin yìí láti lè máa ṣe ìtọ́jú rẹ̀ ohun tó pè ní ohun ti ayé nìyí.
Verse 34, the last part of verse 34.
ìpa tó gbẹ̀yìn nínú ẹsẹ̀ ìkẹrìnlélọ́gbọ̀n.
But she that is married careth for the things of the world, how she may please her husband.
ṣùgbọ́n ẹni tí a gbé ní ìyàwó a máa tọ́jú ohun tí í ṣe ti ayé bí yóò ti ṣe lè wun ọkọ rẹ̀.
You see, it's in the same way the wife also is very careful and diligent to please the husband.
bákan náà ni aya pẹ̀lú ó jẹ́ ẹni tí ó kíyèsára tí ó sì ń jáfáfá láti lè tọ́jú àti láti lè wun ọkọ rẹ̀.
So the very first thing you get into is that you leave a group of people, then you cleave unto your husband.
nítorí náà ohun àkọ́kọ́ ohun tí wàá kọ́ ṣe òun náà ni wípé wàá fi àwọn kan sílẹ̀ wàá sì dàpọ̀ mọ́ ọkọ rẹ̀.
I go to number 2, and this is very important and essential.
mo lọ sí èkejì eléyìí sì ṣe pàtàkì ó ṣe kókó.
This is learning and covering.
eléyìí ni kíkẹ́kọ̀ọ́ àti dídáàbòbò.
Now when you come together,
nígbà tí ẹ bá jọ wá papọ̀.
you need to learn many things about your wife.
o ní láti kọ́ ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ nǹkan nípa aya rẹ.
Your wife is different and unique. Your wife is not like any other person you have ever known.
aya rẹ jẹ́ ẹni tó yàtọ̀ tó sì dá dúró fúnra rẹ̀.
And you have come into a training ground, and in training you have a lot to learn.
o tún wá dé pápá ìkẹ́kọ̀ọ́ nísinsìnyí ní pápá ìkẹ́kọ̀ọ́ sì ní láti kẹ́kọ̀ọ́.
I know those who have married,
mo mọ àwọn tó ti ṣègbéyàwó.
who learn more about their car than they learn about their wife.
tí wọ́n ń kọ́ nípa mọ́tò wọn ju bí wọ́n ti ń kọ́ nípa aya wọn lọ.
They learn more about things that are secular, immaterial, and more than they learn about their wife.
wọ́n máa kọ́ nípa àwọn nǹkan ti ara àwọn nǹkan tí kò wúlò ju bí wọ́n ti ń kọ́ nípa aya wọn
So
lọ.
to see, you have many things to learn about your wife.
ṣùgbọ́n o ní ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ nǹkan láti kọ́ nípa
And
aya
then the
rẹ̀.
wife has a lot to learn about the husband.
bákan náà ni aya ní ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ nǹkan láti kọ́ nípa ọkọ rẹ̀.
That man is totally different from any man you had ever seen in secondary school, university, or in the office, or anywhere.
ọkùnrin ó yàtọ̀ gédégédé sí àwọn yòówù kí o ti bá pàdé tàbí kí o ti rí yálà ní kọ́lẹ́jì ni tàbí yunifásitì tàbí ní ibi iṣẹ́ rẹ̀.
But can I warn you?
ṣùgbọ́n jẹ́ kí n kìlọ̀ fún
As
ọ.
you learn, put your hand in your mouth.
bí o ṣe ń kẹ́kọ̀ọ́ fi ọwọ́ rẹ di ẹnu rẹ.
Close your mouth.
pa ẹnu rẹ mọ́.
You learn and you cover.
wàá kẹ́kọ̀ọ́ wàá sì dáàbò wàá sì
You
dáàbò.
don't go to expose outside what you are learning, what you are seeing about your wife.
o ní kẹ́kọ̀ọ́ tán kí o sì jáde lọ sí ìta kí o lọ máa tú àṣírí ohun tí o ti kọ́ nípa aya rẹ.
My wife is lazy.
aya mi yànlẹ.
That's what you are learning. Cover it up.
nǹkan tí òun kẹ́kọ̀ọ́ nípa rẹ̀ ní pamọ́.
My wife doesn't know how to go on in a good conversation. That's what you are learning. Cover it up.
aya mi kò mọ̀rọ̀ yìí sọ ìwọ pamọ́ nǹkan tí òun kẹ́kọ̀ọ́ nípa rẹ̀.
My wife doesn't know how to spend. Cover it up.
aya mi kò mọ bí a ti náwó pamọ́.
You understand that whenever you are learning from your wife like that, you are learning the need so you can prepare the syllabus because you are now her teacher.
nísinsìnyí nígbà tí òun kọ́ irú àwọn kan wọ̀nyí lọ́dọ̀ aya rẹ wàá mọ̀ wípé o ní láti pèsè àwọn ìlànà sílẹ̀ tí wàá fi gbà kọ́ ọ nítorí pé o ti di olùkọ́ rẹ̀.
And it's a syllabus you only can handle.
ìlànà ìkọ́nilẹ́kọ̀ọ́ ìhun nìkan ṣoṣo ni ó.
I have my own syllabus for my wife, so don't come and give me yours.
mo ní ìlànà tèmi tí mo fi lè gbà kọ́ aya mi ìwọ má wá fún mi ní tìrẹ.
Now other people you go to see, they are also learning their wives and they're seeing their wives and they're trying to develop their syllabus on how to help their wives. Don't go and expose your own syllabus to them.
àwọn mìíràn pẹ̀lú wọ́n ń kọ́ nípa aya wọn wọ́n sì mọ àwọn nǹkan tí wọ́n lè ṣe wọ́n sì fi ń gbé ìlànà kalẹ̀ nípa èyí tí wọ́n gbà kọ́ aya wọn nítorí náà má ṣe lọ bá wọn kí o sì gba ẹ̀kọ́ lọ́wọ́ wọn.
I'm saying don't talk about that. The fault you see in your wife.
mo ń sọ wípé kí o má ṣe máa sọ nípa àwọn àlébù tó rí nínú aya rẹ.
With a friend, with your parents, with anybody, when you learn, you cover it up.
pẹ̀lú ọ̀rẹ́ rẹ pẹ̀lú àwọn òbí rẹ tàbí pẹ̀lú ẹnikẹ́ni nígbàkúgbà tí o bá rí àlébù kan pẹ̀lú rẹ mọ́.
The same thing from the wife to the husband.
bákan náà ni láti ọ̀dọ̀ aya sí ọkọ.
As you learn, you cover.
bí o bá ṣe ń kẹ́kọ̀ọ́ kí o máa pa á mọ́.
Don't go on exposing your husband.
kò ní jáde lọ kí o máa táṣìírí ọkọ rẹ.
Bringing shame upon your
kí o
husband.
máa kó ìtìjú bá ọkọ rẹ.
For his weakness or for some things he may not be doing right.
nítorí àìlera rẹ̀ tàbí àwọn nǹkan tí kò ṣe bí ó ti yẹ.
Now let me show you in Proverbs chapter 10.
jẹ́ kí n fi hàn nínú ìwé òwe orí kẹwàá.
Verse 12.
ẹsẹ̀ ìkejìlá.
Hatred striveth up, stirreth of strife, but love covereth all sins.
ìríra ní irú ìjà sókè ṣùgbọ́n ìfẹ́ bo gbogbo ẹ̀ṣẹ̀ mọ́lẹ̀.
Proverbs chapter 12 verse 16.
ìwé òwe orí kejìlá ẹsẹ̀ ìkẹrìndínlógún.
A fool's wrath is presently known, but a prudent man covereth shame.
ìbínú aṣiwèrè kò pẹ́ ìmọ̀ ṣùgbọ́n amòye ènìyàn bo ìtìjú mọ́lẹ̀.
Proverbs chapter 16 verse 32.
òwe orí kẹrìndínlógún ẹsẹ̀ ìkejìlélọ́gbọ̀n.
He that is slow to anger is better than the mighty. He that ruleth the spirit than he that taketh a city.
ẹni tí ó lọ́ra àti bínú ó sàn ju alágbára lọ ẹni tí ó ṣe àkóso ẹ̀mí rẹ̀ ó ju ẹni tí ó ṣẹ́gun ìlú lọ.
Proverbs chapter 17 verse 9.
òwe orí kẹtàdínlógún ẹsẹ̀ ìkẹsàn-án.
He that covereth a transgression seeketh love, but he that repeateth a matter separateth very friends.
ẹni tí ó bo ẹ̀ṣẹ̀ mọ́lẹ̀ ó ń wá ìfẹ́ ṣùgbọ́n ẹni tí ó tú ọ̀ràn hù sílẹ̀ ó ya ọ̀rẹ́ nípa.
Now let me show you some things.
jẹ́ kí n fi àwọn nǹkan kan hàn ọ́.
When I was at school I had difficulty.
nígbà tí mo wà ní ilé ìwé mo ní ìṣòro.
And my difficulty was much with spelling.
ìṣòro mi ó sì wà lórí bí a ṣe ń pè nǹkan.
You know, sometimes we are taught on how to spell this word and spell this word and spell this word.
nígbà mìíràn wọ́n á kọ́ bí wàá ṣe máa pe àwọn ọ̀rọ̀ kọ̀ọ̀kan ní ẹyọ kọ̀ọ̀kan.
In our own school there was a particular day we knew that there was a spelling test.
ní ilé ìwé wa ìgbà kan wà tí a mọ̀ wípé a ṣe ìdánwò fún wa lórí bí a ṣe ń pe àwọn ọ̀rọ̀.
Our principal was a soldier in the Second World War.
ẹni tó jẹ́ ọ̀gá ilé ìwé wa àgbà pátápátá ó jẹ́ ọmọ ogun ní ogun àgbáyé kejì.
And when he used the cane we knew he was a soldier.
nígbà tí ó bá sì lu ẹgba a ó mọ̀ wípé jagunjagun ni.
And then he would bring us all into the class and he would tell us to spell.
yóò sì kó gbogbo wa wá sí kíláàsì yóò sì máa wípé kí a bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí máa pe àwọn ọ̀rọ̀ wọ̀nyí.
We started with spelling about 20 words.
a ó bẹ̀rẹ̀ pẹ̀lú ogún ọ̀rọ̀.
You miss some of those words and you are in for trouble.
bí o bá kùnà nínú ọ̀kan nínú àwọn ọ̀rọ̀ wọ̀nyí o ti bọ́ sínú wàhálà.
And for a long time
fún ìgbà pípẹ́.
I learned spelling.
mo sì kọ́ bí a ṣe máa
If you wrote an I, you didn't dot it, they marked you wrong. You didn't spell it well.
bí o bá kọ i tí o kò bá yán lórí wọn wípé o kò gbà.
And it was real trouble.
ó sì jẹ́ wàhálà ńlá.
And so I want to tell you that learning how to spell is real work.
nítorí náà mo fẹ́ sọ fún ẹ pé kí o kọ́ bí a ṣe máa ń pe ọ̀rọ̀ ní kọ̀ọ̀kan ó jẹ́ ọ̀rọ̀ ńlá.
What I'm going to say now may look simple, but it is very deep.
nǹkan tí mo fẹ́ sọ nísìnyí ó lè dàbẹ́ ni pé ó rọrùn ṣùgbọ́n ó jinlẹ̀.
A true wife is one who can spell the word wife, not with your lips, but with your life.
ìyàwó tòótọ́ ó jẹ́ ẹni tí ó lè pe ìyàwó ní kọ̀ọ̀kan kì í ṣe pẹ̀lú ahọ́n rẹ̀ lásán ṣùgbọ́n pẹ̀lú ìgbésí ayé rẹ̀.
A true husband is the one who can spell the word husband, not with your lips, but with your life.
ọkọ tòótọ́ kì í ṣe ọkọ tó jẹ́ pé ó kàn lè máa pe ọkọ pẹ̀lú ètè ẹnu rẹ̀ lásán ṣùgbọ́n bí kò ṣe pẹ̀lú ìgbésí ayé rẹ̀.
What's the spelling for wife?
kí ni báwo ni a ṣe ń pe aya?
You say, is that what we came to church to learn?
ó ní ṣé nǹkan tá a wá sí ṣọ́ọ̀ṣì láti wá.
We know that
àmọ́ èyí.
because that is just W-I-F-E.
nítorí pé ìyí àwí òun nìyí.
But what does it mean?
ṣùgbọ́n kí nìkan tó túmọ̀ sí.
Now, number one, it means if you are a wife. W means you are wise in communication.
èyí ni pé ìkíní bí o bá jẹ́ aya o jẹ́ ọlọ́gbọ́n nínú ìbásọ̀rọ̀pọ̀.
I means you are innocent in character and you are industrious in caring.
àti pé o jẹ́ ẹni tí kì í ṣe ni nínú ìwà rẹ̀ tí o sì jẹ́ ẹni tó fọwọ́ rẹ̀.
F means you are faithful in companionship and you are forgiving in conflict.
àti pé o tún jẹ́ olóòótọ́ nínú ìbánikẹ́gbẹ́ àti pé o tún dáríjì ni nínú ìjà.
E means you are excellent in counsel and excellent in comfort.
ní àkótán rẹ̀ o tún jẹ́ ẹni tí ìwà rẹ̀ péye tí ìṣe rẹ̀ sì péye.
Now you see, if you cannot spell that with your life, you cannot be a wife.
bí o kò bá lè fi ìgbésí ayé rẹ kí o fi sọ ọ̀rọ̀ yìí jáde o kò lè jẹ́ ìyàwó.
Proverbs chapter 14.
nínú ìwé òwe orí 14.
Verse 1.
ẹsẹ̀ ìkíní.
Every wise woman buildeth her house.
olúkúlùkù ọlọ́gbọ́n obìnrin ni ikọ́ ilé rẹ̀.
You need wisdom in communication.
o nílò ọgbọ́n nínú àti bánisọ̀rọ̀.
When you discuss with your husband.
nígbà tó bá bá ọkọ rẹ sọ̀rọ̀.
When you relate with your husband.
nígbà tó bá ọkọ rẹ sọ̀rọ̀.
And in Proverbs chapter 15.
nínú ìwé òwe orí 15.
Verse 2.
ẹsẹ̀ ìkejì.
The tongue of the wise uses knowledge aright.
ahọ́n ọlọ́gbọ́n ń lo ìmọ̀ rere.
And are you wise in the way you use your tongue at home?
ìjọ sì jẹ́ ọlọ́gbọ́n bí o ṣe máa ń lo ahọ́n rẹ nínú ilé.
In the first part of verse 4.
nínú ipa àkọ́kọ́ ẹsẹ̀ ìkẹrin.
A wholesome tongue is a tree of life.
ahọ́n ìmúláradá ni igi ìyè.
You want your husband to eat and to live from the tree of life, your tongue will tell.
ó fẹ́ kí ọkọ rẹ kí ó jẹ kí ó sì jẹ nínú igi ìyè ahọ́n rẹ yóò sọ.
In chapter 16 verse 21.
orí 15 ẹsẹ̀ 21.
The wise in heart shall be called prudent.
ọlọ́gbọ́n àyàlẹ́ a ó pè ní àmòye.
The sweetness of the lips increases learning.
dídùn ètè a sì máa mú ẹ̀kọ́ pọ̀.
And in chapter 16 verse 23.
nínú orí 15 ẹsẹ̀ 23 kan náà.
The heart of the wise teaches his mouth and addeth learning to his lips.
àyà ọlọ́gbọ́n mú ọ̀rọ̀ ẹnu rẹ̀ gbọ́n ó sì mú ẹ̀kọ́ pọ̀ ní ètè rẹ̀.
Proverbs 31 verse 26.
òwe orí 21 ẹsẹ̀ 26.
She, the wife, openeth her mouth with wisdom, and in her tongue is the law of kindness.
ó fi ọgbọ́n ya ẹnu rẹ̀ yìí ní ìyàwó àti lé ahọ́n rẹ̀ ní òfin ìṣeun.
So that means that when you live together with your husband as a wife, be wise in your communication.
èyí ni pé nígbà tó bá ń bá ọkọ rẹ̀ gbélé gẹ́gẹ́ bí aya ìwọ jẹ́ ọlọ́gbọ́n nínú ìbásọ̀rọ̀pọ̀ rẹ̀.
You're talking together in your discussion. Let wisdom guide you in what you say. So you are building your house. You are not demolishing or destroying your own house with your hands.
nínú ìjọ sọ̀rọ̀pọ̀ yín tàbí ìjọ ìfomitoro ọ̀rọ̀ ìjọ fọ̀rọ̀ jomitoro ọ̀rọ̀ pẹ̀lú ara yín o ní láti máa fi ọgbọ́n sọ̀rọ̀ kí ó bá jẹ́ wípé ńṣe ló ń fi ọwọ́ ara rẹ̀ kọ́ ilé ara rẹ̀.
The I in our spelling is innocent in character.
eléyìí tó tún tẹ̀lé nínú ọ̀rọ̀ ìgbéyàwó òun náà ni kí ènìyàn kí ó jẹ́ ẹni tí ìwà rẹ̀ dára nínú ìwà.
You don't misuse your body.
o ò ní ṣe ara rẹ lù.
You don't go around in a suspicious way that your husband will not be able to trust you and have confidence in you.
o ò ní máa rìnrìn káàkiri lọ́nà tó jẹ́ pé ọkọ rẹ̀ yóò wá bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí máa funra sí ọ.
Proverbs chapter 31.
nínú ìwé òwe orí 21.
Verse 10 to verse 12.
ẹsẹ̀ ìkẹwàá dé ìkejìlá.
Who can find a virtuous woman, for her price is far above ruby?
ta ni yóò rí obìnrin oníwà rere nítorí tí iye rẹ̀ kọjá iyùn.
The heart of her husband does safely trust in her, so that he shall have no need of spoil.
àyà ọkọ rẹ̀ gbẹ́kẹ̀lé láì bẹ̀rù, bẹ́ẹ̀ ni òun kì yóò ṣe aláìní èrè iṣẹ́.
That means she's so innocent, she's so pure, she keeps herself from all men in society.
èyí ni pé kò ní nǹkan kan ṣe pẹ̀lú àwọn ọkùnrin tí ń bẹ ní àwùjọ.
Her body is totally yielded and committed to the husband and no one else on the face of the whole
ó
earth.
ti fi ara rẹ̀ jì pátápátá, ó sì ti yà á sọ́tọ̀ pátápátá fún ọkọ rẹ̀, kì í ṣe fún ẹlòmíràn nínú ayé.
And when the husband travels out of town, that husband is confident because he trusts that wife.
nígbà tí ọkọ ẹ̀ bá sì rin ìrìn àjò lọ sí ibòmíràn, ọkàn rẹ̀ yóò balẹ̀ nítorí pé ó gbẹ́kẹ̀lé obìnrin yìí.
She doesn't receive letters that she will hide from the husband because the contents of the letter are so, personal that the husband must not
kò
know.
ní gba lẹ́tà tó jẹ́ pé yóò máa fi pamọ́ fún ọkọ rẹ̀ nítorí pé àwọn ọ̀rọ̀ tó ń bẹ nínú lẹ́tà náà kì í ṣe èyí tí ọkọ rẹ̀ gbọ́dọ̀ rí.
And in verse 12,
nínú ẹsẹ̀ kejìlá.
so she will do him good, not evil, all the days of her life.
rere ni obìnrin náà yóò máa ṣe fún un, kì í ṣe búburú lé ọjọ́ ayé rẹ̀.
She is not only innocent in character, but she is industrious in caring for the home.
kì í kàn ṣe pé ẹni tó máa ń tọ́jú ara rẹ̀ tí ó sì ń pa ara rẹ̀ mọ́ nìkan, ṣùgbọ́n ó jẹ́ ẹni tó tún fọwọ́ rẹ̀ ṣiṣẹ́ nínú ilé.
You see, there is work to do at home.
iṣẹ́ ń bẹ láti ṣe nínú ilé.
We call it housekeeping.
à ń pè é ní ìtọ́jú ilé.
The floors get dirty.
ilẹ̀ á máa dọ̀tí.
She is industrious in cleaning it up.
ó jẹ́ ẹni tó ń ṣiṣẹ́ nípa tọ́jú rẹ̀.
The clothes need washing or laundry.
àwọn aṣọ wọn nílò àfifọ̀ àti láti lọ̀.
After eating, the dishes need washing or cleaning.
lẹ́yìn ìjẹun wọ́n tún ní láti fọ abọ́ tàbí kí wọ́n tún ṣe ìtọ́jú wọn.
Food needs to be
ó
cool.
yẹ fún ọ láti ṣe oúnjẹ.
Needs to make the bed and keep the room tidy and neat.
ó yẹ láti tọ́jú ibùsùn àti láti mú kí yàrá wà ní
And all the
ìmọ́tótó.
things in the home need to be neatly, put into order.
gbogbo ohun tó sì wà nínú ilé ló yẹ kí wọ́n tò lẹ́sẹẹsẹ.
And if she doesn't have the right attitude in the work at home, there'll be a mess at home.
bí kò bá sì ní ìwà tí ó yẹ sí iṣẹ́ tó ń bẹ nínú ilé, gbogbo rẹ̀ ni yóò dojúrú nínú ilé.
Cleanliness contributes to the happiness of the home, so the husband can come home and just rest because the environment is very clean.
ìmọ́tótó ó lọ́wọ́ nínú ìlera ilé, kí ọkọ bá lè wọlé kí ó sì fọkàn balẹ̀ sí mi.
And in Proverbs 31 verse 27,
nínú ìwé ìwòrí kọkànlélọ́gbọ̀n ẹsẹ̀
she
ìkẹtàdínlọ́gbọ̀n.
looketh well to the ways of her household and eateth not the bread of idleness.
ó fi ojú sílẹ̀ wo ìwà àwọn ará ilé rẹ̀, kò sì jẹ oúnjẹ ìmẹ́lẹ́.
And then F means she is faithful in companionship.
gbólóhùn tó tún tẹ̀lé o ní pé ó jẹ́ olóòótọ́ nínú ìbákẹ́gbẹ́.
See, you are a
ó
companion.
jẹ́ ẹlẹgbẹ́.
Bear the burden together with your husband.
ẹjọ́ máa ru ẹrù náà pẹ̀lú ọkọ yín.
Be comforting to your husband.
ìwọ jẹ́ ẹni tó ń tu ọkọ rẹ̀ nínú.
Support your husband.
fi ọkọ rẹ
Be
lẹ́yìn.
a real partner to your husband.
jẹ́ ẹlẹgbẹ́ tòótọ́ fún ọkọ rẹ.
Don't criticize.
má ṣe máa bu ẹnu àtẹ́lù.
Beat him down.
má ṣe máa sọ̀rọ̀.
Don't cut him to
má ṣe
pieces.
fi ẹnu rẹ ké.
Anytime he comes, let him know you are a companion and a partner indeed.
nígbàkúgbà tí ó bá wọlé jẹ́ kí ó mọ̀ wípé o jẹ́ ẹlẹgbẹ́ fún òun àti ẹnìkan.
Whenever the going is hard and tough for him outside, let him come home and know that there is a burden sharer.
nígbà tí nǹkan bá le mọ́ ọ níta tí ó sì dojúrú mọ́ ọ lọ́wọ́ níta jẹ́ kí ó mọ̀ wípé nígbà tí òun bá padà sílé, alábàánikẹ́dùn àti abánirẹrù wà nínú
And
ilé.
if you having problems with the in-law, be in support of your husband and be caring. Let him know that this is a real companion.
bí ó bá sì tún ní wàhálà pẹ̀lú àna ìwọ jẹ́ kí ó mọ̀ wípé o jẹ́ ẹnìkejì tí ó jẹ́ olóòótọ́ sí àti ẹni tí ó fẹ́ràn rẹ̀.
In Genesis chapter 2,
nínú ìwé Genesis orí kejì
reading there in verse 23.
ẹsẹ̀ ìkẹtàléníogún.
And Adam said, this is now bone of my bone.
Ádámù sì wí pé èyí yìí lé egungun nínú egungun mi.
After 2 years, 3 years, 5 years, 10 years of marriage, let your husband be able to say, that is bone of my bone.
lẹ́yìn ọdún kan, ọdún méjì, ọdún mẹ́ta, ọdún márùn-ún, ọdún mẹ́wàá ìgbéyàwó, jẹ́ kí ọkọ rẹ kí ó tún lè sọ pẹ̀lú ìgboyà wípé èyí yìí gan ni egungun nínú egungun mi.
Let your husband say, I don't know what life will be for me if it were not for my wife.
jẹ́ kí ọkọ rẹ lè sọ wípé èmi ìbá má ti mọ tí ayé yìí bá jẹ́ fún mi, ìbá má sì ti ìyàwó mi.
Let him receive such a wonderful amount of abundance of care and comfort and companionship and support and love that he'll be able to say, this is bone of of my bone and flesh of my flesh. I can't live a single day without her help.
jẹ́ kí ó lè gba ìtọ́jú àti kí ó lè gba ìtọ́jú àti ìfẹ́ àti ìbákẹ́dùn àti ìjẹ́nìkejì àti ìbákẹ́gbẹ́ tó bẹ́ẹ̀ gẹ́ tí yóò fi lè wí pé èyí ni egungun nínú egungun mi ìbámá sí tirẹ̀ ni èmi ìbámá mọ nǹkan tí ń bàjẹ́.
So she is faithful in companionship, but she is also forgiving in conflict.
ó jẹ́ olóòótọ́ nínú ìbánikẹ́gbẹ́ bákan náà ni ó tún jẹ́ ẹni tó ń dáríjì ni nínú aáwọ̀.
And in Ephesians chapter 4,
nínú ìwé Éfésù orí kẹrin
verse 32,
ẹsẹ̀ ìkejì
and be ye kind one to another, tender-hearted, forgiving one another, even as God for Christ's sake has forgiven you.
ẹ máa ṣoore fún ọmọnìkejì yín ẹ ní ìyọ́nú ẹ máa dáríjì ara yín gẹ́gẹ́ bí Ọlọ́run nínú Kristi ti dáríjì yín.
Now the last of this spelling is excellent in counsel and comfort.
Ilé tó sì parí nínú gbólóhùn yìí òun náà ni wípé ẹni tí ó péye nínú ìtuni nínú àti ìbánikẹ́dùn.
In Psalm 69 verse 20.
Nínú orin Dáfídì orí kọkàndínláàádọ́rin ẹsẹ̀ ogún.
We see the sorrow, the sadness, the heartache of a man that did not have a counseling wife, a comforting wife.
A rí ìbànújẹ́ ọkàn ọkùnrin àti ìdoríkodò ọkàn ọkùnrin tí kò ní aya tó lè gbà á nímọ̀ràn.
The load was heavy, but there was nobody to bear it with him.
Ẹrù náà wúwo ṣùgbọ́n kò sí ẹni tí yóò bá rù ú.
The road was long and the journey weary, but there was nobody to help and to care and to comfort.
Ọ̀nà náà jìnnà ó sì lè mú kí ó tètè sún ni ṣùgbọ́n kò sẹ́ni tí yóò gbà níyànjú ẹni tí yóò súnmọ́ tí yóò sì bá a kẹ́dùn.
The tears were running, but there was no hand to wipe away the tears.
Omijé náà ń ṣàn pẹ̀rẹ̀pẹ̀rẹ̀ ṣùgbọ́n kò sí ọwọ́ tí yóò nu omijé náà.
And in Psalm 69 verse 20.
Nínú orin Dáfídì orí kọkàndínláàádọ́rin ẹsẹ̀ ogún.
Reproach has broken my heart.
Ẹ̀gàn ti bà mí ní inú jẹ́.
I am full of heaviness.
Èmi sì kún fún ìkáàánú.
I looked for some to take pity, but there was none.
Èmi sì wòye fún ẹni tí yóò ṣàánú fún mi ṣùgbọ́n kò sí.
For comforters, but I found none.
Àti fún àwọn olùtùnú èmi kò sì rí ẹnìkan.
Wife, are you there?
Aya, ǹjẹ́ wà?
If you are really standing in the place you ought to stand,
tí o bá dúró ní ibi gan tí ó yẹ fún ọ láti dúró.
your husband will not have this difficulty.
Ọkọ rẹ kò ní ìṣòro yìí.
This complaint.
Àròyé yìí.
Now if the wife spells like that, how about the husband?
Bí ó bá jẹ́ pé bí a ṣe ń pe ọkọ nìyí báwo wá ni ẹ̀bẹ̀ ó jẹ́ pé bí a ṣe ń pe aya nìyí báwo wá ni ti ọkọ.
H is for holy in conscience.
Eléyìí tó bẹ̀rẹ̀ rẹ̀ ní èdè òyìnbó náà ni ìwà mímọ́.
U is for understanding in conversation, correction and criticism.
Eléyìí tó tẹ̀lé ni lílóye nínú ìbásọ̀rọ̀pọ̀ àti nínú ìsọ̀rọ̀ búburú sí ni.
S is strong in caring and compassion.
Eléyìí tó tún tẹ̀lé ni níní agbára nínú jíjẹ́ nìkejì.
For B is blameless in conduct both at home and abroad.
Eléyìí tó tún tẹ̀lé ni jíjẹ́ aláìlẹ́gàn nínú ilé àti níta.
A is abiding in the covenant of marriage.
Eléyìí tó tẹ̀lé ni òun náà ni dídúró nínú májẹ̀mú ìgbéyàwó.
And this man is noble in courage.
Eléyìí tó tún tẹ̀lé ni ọkùnrin lágbára nínú ìmúlọ́kànlé.
For D is dependable in contribution to the family need.
Eléyìí tó tún parí rẹ̀ òun náà ni ẹni ó ṣe é fọkàn tán nínú ìpèsè fún ẹbí.
Now this man is married.
Ọkùnrin ti ṣègbéyàwó.
And he has just newly got married.
Ó sì ṣẹ̀ṣẹ̀ ṣègbéyàwó ni.
And he must spend his life learning how to spell the word husband.
Ó sì ní láti lo ayé rẹ̀ láti máa kọ́ bí òun ṣe lè máa pe ọkọ.
One, holy in conscience.
Ìkíní ìwà mímọ́ nínú ẹ̀rí.
So you see that in the book of Job chapter 31.
Nínú ìwé Jóòbù orí kọkànlélọ́gbọ̀n.
This is a married man.
Ọkùnrin tó ti láya nìyí.
And what does he say?
Kí ni ohun tí ó sì sọ?
In Job 31 verse 1.
Nínú ìwé Jóòbù orí kọkànlélọ́gbọ̀n.
I made a covenant with mine eyes. Why then should I think upon a maid?
Èmi ti bá ojú mi dá májẹ̀mú. Ǹjẹ́ èmi ò ha ṣe tẹjú mọ́ wúndíá?
See, after you are married,
lẹ́yìn tó ti ṣègbéyàwó tán.
you have got the woman that God wants you to have.
O ti ní obìnrin tí Ọlọ́run fẹ́ kí o ní.
Keep together with her.
Ìwọ dúró pẹ̀lú rẹ̀.
Leave other women all alone.
Fi àwọn obìnrin mìíràn sílẹ̀.
And that is the very beginning of the realization that now you are happily married.
Eléyìí ni ìbẹ̀rẹ̀ mímọ̀ wípé o fi ayọ̀ níyàwó.
Because if you touch another woman, you will not be innocent, you will not be holy.
nítorí pé bí o bá fọwọ́ kan obìnrin mìíràn o kò ní jẹ́ aláìlẹ́gàn.
In 1 Thessalonians chapter 5 verse 22, we are told abstain from all appearance of evil.
nínú Tẹsalóníkà kínní orí karùn-ún ẹsẹ̀ kejìlélógún máa sọ fún wa pé kí o máa ta kété sí ohun gbogbo tó bá farajọ ibi.
Now, men, listen very well now.
nísinsìnyí ẹ̀yin ọkùnrin ẹ tẹ́tí sílẹ̀ dáadáa báyìí.
We are coming to a difficult area in marriage.
à ń wá sí ipa tó lè pọ́nrán nínú ìgbéyàwó.
Understanding in conversation, in correction, in criticism.
lílóye nínú ìbásọ̀rọ̀pọ̀ àti nínú ìtọ́nisọ́nà àti nínú ìbániwí.
Realize that the marital life is a life of learning.
ìwọ mọ̀ yí pé ìgbésí ayé ìgbéyàwó jẹ́ ìgbésí ayé ìkẹ́kọ̀ọ́.
Realize that you are learning many things about your
mọ̀
wife.
yí pé òun kọ́ ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ nǹkan nípa aya rẹ̀.
And one of the things you must possess as a husband is understanding in conversation.
ọ̀kan nínú tí o gbọ́dọ̀ mọ̀ nípa aya rẹ̀ òun náà ni pé kí o mòye nínú ìsọ̀rọ̀.
Understanding in correction.
kí o lóye nínú ìtọ́ni.
Understanding on the use of
kí o sì
criticism.
lóye nínú bí wàá ṣe máa sọ̀rọ̀ sí ohun tó bá ṣe.
Proverbs chapter 15
ìwé òwe orí kẹẹ̀ẹ́dógún
verse 23.
ẹsẹ̀ ìkẹtàlélógún.
The heart of the wise teacheth his mouth, and addeth learning to his lips.
ènìyàn ní ayọ̀ nípa ìdáhùn ẹnu rẹ̀ àti ọ̀rọ̀ kan lé àkókò rẹ̀ ó ti wọ̀ tó.
That is 16:23. Now let me read to you 15:23.
orí kẹẹ̀ẹ́dógún ẹsẹ̀ ìkẹtàlélógún ní èmi kọ́kà ẹsẹ̀ orí kẹrìndínlógún ẹsẹ̀ ìkẹtàlélógún la kọ́kà.
Now 15:23 now.
nísinsìnyí orí kẹẹ̀ẹ́dógún ẹsẹ̀ ìkẹtàlélógún.
A man has joy by the answer of his mouth, a word spoken in due season. How good is it?
ẹni ayọ̀ nípa ìdáhùn ẹnu rẹ̀ àti ọ̀rọ̀ kan ní àkókò rẹ̀ ó ti wọ̀ tó.
Now you realize we have one mouth and two ears.
ó mọ̀ yí pé ẹnu kan àti etí méjìlá ní.
What does that mean?
kí ni èyí túmọ̀ sí?
That means if you listen to your wife 2 hours, you talk only 1 hour.
èyí ni pé bí o bá tẹ́tí sí ìyàwó rẹ fún wákàtí méjì wá sọ̀rọ̀ fún wákàtí kan.
You realize what will happen in the world if God will change the order.
ǹjẹ́ o mọ̀ pé ohun mọ tí yóò ṣẹlẹ̀ bí Ọlọ́run bá yí ìlànà rẹ̀ padà nínú ayé?
Give us 2 mouths and give us 1 ear.
fún wa ní ẹnu méjì etí kan.
So already with only 1 mouth, there is too much talking.
pẹ̀lú ẹni méjì o mọ̀ pé ọ̀rọ̀ àsọjù ti wà.
And there is not enough listening to one
kò sì
another.
sí ìtẹ́tí sílẹ̀ sí ara ẹni tó.
But if the Lord had changed the whole thing,
ṣùgbọ́n bí Ọlọ́run bá ti yí gbogbo nǹkan
and
padà.
suddenly you
tó
realize
sì jẹ́ pé lójijì
that you have 2 mouths,
kó lẹ́nu méjì.
so it's cha-cha-cha, cha-cha-cha, cha-cha-cha every time.
tó sì wá máa jẹ́ pé ṣáṣaṣà bí ìbákà ni.
And only 1 ear that you
ó
have.
sì ní etí kan ṣoṣo.
You see, that's a mercy.
eléyìí jẹ́ iṣẹ́ ìránṣẹ́.
Be quick to listen.
ìwọ yára kankan láti
Be
gbọ́.
long at listening.
ìwọ farabalẹ̀ láti máa gbọ́.
Realize that you give double the time to listening to your wife and half the time to talking to your wife.
ìwọ mọ̀ wípé o ní láti fi àkókò sílẹ̀ àkókò tó gbìmọ̀ ọ̀nà láti tẹ́tí sí aya rẹ kí o sì lóye rẹ̀.
If we do that, there will be peace at home.
bí a bá ṣe bẹ́ẹ̀ àlàáfíà yóò
Now when we are
nílé.
correcting or criticizing the wife,
nígbà tí a bá sì ń bá aya wí.
realize that when you correct your partner in the presence of other people, you are pouring sulfuric acid upon the head of your wife.
mọ̀ wípé nígbà tó bá ń bá aya rẹ wí tàbí tó ń tọ́ sọ́nà lójú àwọn ẹlòmíràn ṣe lábẹ́ ni pé òun dá nǹkan tí yóò pa lára sí i lára.
I was in the laboratory in 1960, I think it was.
ní ọdún kẹrìnléníogún sẹ́yìn mo wà ní ilé iṣẹ́.
Now we have finished our chemistry lesson.
a ti parí iṣẹ́ wa.
You know, we were given these things to be able to suck water out of a test tube or out of a cylinder.
a sì fún wa ní nǹkan tí a lè fi fa omi jáde láti inú tí a ti fẹ́ fà á.
And then after the teacher went out of the class,
lẹ́yìn tí olùkọ́ jáde kúrò ní kíláàsì.
we were left in the laboratory
a sì
alone.
fi wá sínú ibi tí a ti ń
I
ṣàwárí
took that thing, I put it into a bottle with acid.
mo sì mú nǹkan mo fà á mo sì fi sínú nǹkan.
You know, we were just playing in the laboratory.
àwa ń ṣeré níbi tí a ti ń
And
ṣe
since there was no teacher there, we were free.
nígbà tí kò ti sí olùkọ́ níbẹ̀ àwa
I
yóò
used
nira
my
wa.
freedom and I sucked up this acid.
mo sì lo òmìnira mi mo fa kíní omi yìí.
That thing burnt more than fire.
nǹkan yìí ó dojú
I
iná lọ.
felt it on my lips and on my tongue.
Ó kàn mí ní ahọ́n mi.
It was no play anymore, it was not
Kì í
serious.
ṣeré mọ́ nísinsìnyí, ó ti wá le.
Acid is destructive.
Omi tí à ń rọ sínú bátìrì ó jẹ́ nǹkan tó lè pa
You
nípa.
think of a man that is pouring acid on the wife every day, every morning, every afternoon, and every night, pouring acid on the wife. No wonder you killed your wife.
Ìwọ sì rò nípa ọkùnrin tó jẹ́ pé lójoojúmọ́ láràárọ̀ lọ́sàn-án lálẹ́ ló ń da omi bátìrì sí orí ìyàwó rẹ̀ látòkè délẹ̀. Àbájọ
You caught her down publicly, you criticize her publicly, you correct her publicly, and in an explosive type of language that is evil and bad.
Ní ìgbà gbogbo ní ìta gbangba ni wàá ti máa bu ẹnu àtẹ́lu ìyàwó rẹ̀ tí wàá ti máa bá wí tí wàá ti máa sọ̀rọ̀ búburú sí ìwọ ló ń pa aya rẹ̀.
Husbands, let me give you 12 points on criticism.
Ìwọ ọkọ jẹ́ kí n fún ọ ní kókó 12 lórí ìbáwí.
Before you criticize, you think about all these 12 things.
Kí o tó máa bá ní wí tàbí bu ẹnu àtẹ́lu ni o gbọ́dọ̀ ronú nípa
So as to make your criticism positive and constructive.
kí ó bá lè jẹ́ kí ìbániwí rẹ tàbí ìbọnú àtẹ́lùní rẹ kí ó jẹ́ ilé
Number one,
ìkíní.
when something goes wrong in the home, don't think that you assume or don't assume that you know who is wrong. You may be the one that is wrong.
Nígbà tí nǹkan kò bá lọ déédéé nínú ilé, má ṣe máa lérò wípé ìwọ ni ó tọ̀nà. Má ṣe máa lérò bẹ́ẹ̀, ó lè jẹ́ pé ìwọ ni kò tọ̀nà.
Number two, get the facts before you ever talk about that matter.
Èkejì, ìwọ kò ti di òtítọ́ múná kí o tó sọ̀rọ̀ nípa ọ̀ràn yìí.
Don't just get a supposition. Maybe this is what happened, and then you start rebuking your wife. Be patient and get the facts before you ever open your mouth to talk.
Ìwọ ti kọ́ di òtítọ́ mú máa ń ṣe bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí máa lérò wípé bóyá eléyìí ló ṣẹlẹ̀ bóyá tọ̀hún ni ó ṣẹlẹ̀ ìwọ ti kọ́ mọ̀ wípé nǹkan tó jẹ́ òtítọ́ nìyí.
Number three, don't pull in what happened 3 years ago, 5 years ago, 2 years ago, or what happened last week. Keep yourself, make it clear what is wrong now that we need to talk about.
Má ṣe bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí máa fa nǹkan tó ṣẹlẹ̀ ní oṣù kẹta tàbí ọdún kẹta tàbí ọdún kẹrin tàbí ọ̀sẹ̀ kẹta sẹ́yìn ṣùgbọ́n ohun tó ṣẹlẹ̀ nísinsìnyí òun náà ni pé kí ẹ yanjú.
Number four, manifest love and control your temper while you are speaking to correct your wife. Don't criticize an attitude of pride.
Ẹ̀kẹrin, ìwọ fi ìfẹ́ hàn kí o sì kó ìbínú rẹ ní ìjánu nígbà tí o bá ń fẹ́ bá aya rẹ sọ̀rọ̀ tàbí tí o bá ń fẹ́ tọ́ sọ́nà nínú ohunkóhun tó bá ṣe.
Now, do you know that many times when something happens in the vehicle outside between us and our wife, we begin to correct.
Ǹjẹ́ o mọ̀ pé ní ìgbà mìíràn níta tí àwa pẹ̀lú aya wa tá a bá jọ wọkọ̀ papọ̀ tí ó bá sì ṣe nǹkan tí kò tọ́ á bẹ̀ sí máa bá a wí lẹ́sẹ̀kẹsẹ̀.
Or a couple at the fellowship center here, and this is your wife, something bad happens, you begin to correct.
Tàbí nígbà mìíràn máa ń ṣẹlẹ̀ nígbàgbọ́n ìpàdé ní aya rẹ̀ ṣe nǹkan tí kò tọ́ wàá sì bẹ̀ sí máa bá a wí lẹ́sẹ̀kẹsẹ̀.
Don't do like that.
Má ṣe bẹ́ẹ̀.
This is number 5.
Eléyìí ní ìkarùn-ún.
Speak to her in private, personally, never openly when you are correcting something.
Nígbà tí o bá ń tún nǹkan kan ṣe tàbí tó bá ń tọ́ nǹkan kan sọ́nà nínú ayé rẹ̀ má ṣe bá a sọ ní gbangba ṣùgbọ́n bá a sọ ní ìkọ̀kọ̀ ní kọ́lọ́fín yàrá yín.
If you have gone to the hospital before and they've given you any operation.
Bí o bá ti lọ sílé ìwòsàn tẹ́lẹ̀ rí tí wọ́n sì ti ṣe iṣẹ́ abẹ fún ọ.
They first of all apply something on that area of the body.
Wọ́n kọ́ fi nǹkan kan pa ibi tí wọ́n fẹ́ ṣe iṣẹ́ abẹ níbẹ̀
They
ara rẹ̀.
apply the anesthetic to deaden the pain of that place before they operate on it.
Kí wọ́n tó lè ṣe iṣẹ́ abẹ ní ibi gan tí wọ́n ti fẹ́ ṣe iṣẹ́ abẹ yìí wọ́n á fi nǹkan kan pa tó jẹ́ pé yóò pa ibẹ̀ kú.
Correction and criticism is like operation.
Bíbániwí àti títọ́nisọ́nà ó dàbí iṣẹ́ abẹ.
The knife of correction will be very, very painful if there is no anesthetic to deaden the pain.
Abẹ ìbániwí yóò níni lára yóò sì roni lára lọ́pọ̀lọpọ̀ bí kò bá sí nǹkan tí a ó fi pabẹ̀ láti pa.
What's the anesthetic you apply in the family before you correct and criticize?
Kí ni nǹkan tí wàá fi pa ẹbẹ̀ láti sọ́ di òkú nígbà tó bá fẹ́ bá aya rẹ wí?
Praise her first.
Ìwọ kọ́ yìn ná.
Just love her first.
Ìwọ kọ́ fẹ́ràn rẹ̀.
Commend her for something that she has done well.
Ìwọ kọ́ gbùyìn fún un náà ní kí
Show interest in her welfare before you ever open your mouth to correct and criticize.
Ìwọ kọ́ sọ fún ikọ́ jẹ́ kí ó di mímọ̀ fún pé o ní inú dídùn sí kó tó di pé o bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ń bá wí tàbí.
Because love is in local anesthetics that allows you to perform that operation.
Nítorí pé ìfẹ́ ni ìkunra tó lè fi pa kí o pa lára kí ó tó di pé o lè bá wí.
Number 7, share your part of the blame. She's not all wrong. Share part of the area where you are wrong.
Ìkeje, ìwọ ṣe alájọpín ibi tí o ti ṣìnà má ṣe sọ wípé òun nìkan ló kùnà.
Take responsibility for that mistake and mean it sincerely when you say so.
Ìwọ gba ojúṣe gba ojúṣe àṣìṣe yìí kí o sì jẹ́ pé ó tẹ ọkàn rẹ wá.
Now, number 8.
ẹ̀kẹjọ.
Listen to her side of the story.
tẹ́tí sí ohun tí òun bá ní wí nípa ọ̀ràn náà.
Create a good atmosphere for her to talk and defend herself if necessary.
ìwọ fi àyè tó dára sílẹ̀ fún un láti sọ̀rọ̀ àti láti gbèjà ara rẹ̀.
Number 9. Protect her dignity and her personality.
ẹ̀kẹsàn-án ìwọ dáàbò bo ẹni tó jẹ́.
Now, when you correct something and you don't suggest what to do to correct it, that's no correction at all.
nígbà tí ó bá bá ni wí tí o kò sì fúnni ní àbá tàbí àmọ̀ràn nípa bí ó ṣe lè ṣe àtúnṣe rẹ̀ eléyìí kì í ṣe ìbániwí.
Number 10. Suggest specific steps to prevent the recurrence of the mistake.
ẹ̀kẹwàá ìwọ sọ àwọn àbá tàbí àbá tó jẹ́ pé ó lè mú kí ìkànnì kó má tún wáyé mọ́.
11. Pray for her and pray with her sincerely and in faith that mistake will not be repeated again.
ìkọkànlá ìwọ gbàdúrà fún tọkàntọkàn kí àṣìṣe má tún ṣe lè wáyé mọ́.
Number 12. Forgive and forget.
ìkejìlá dáríjì kí o sì gbàgbé.
Bear no grudge.
má ṣe ní ìkùnsínú.
Let love continue.
jẹ́ kí ìfẹ́ tẹ̀síwájú.
If we do that before we ever criticize, there will be peace at home.
bí a bá ṣe bẹ́ẹ̀ kí a tó bá ní wí nílé àlàáfíà yóò
There will be love at home.
ìfẹ́ yóò wà nínú ilé.
So the husband is wholly in conscience and she is understanding in conversation, correction, and criticism.
nítorí náà ọkọ jẹ́ ẹni tí ó jẹ́ mímọ́ nínú ìwà rẹ̀ àti ìṣe rẹ̀ bákan náà ni ó ti jẹ́ oníwà pẹ̀lẹ́ nínú ìbániwí rẹ̀.
Strong in caring and companionship.
ó lágbára nínú ìtọ́jú àti ìbánikẹ́gbẹ́.
Blameless in conduct.
ó jẹ́ aláìlẹ́gàn nínú ìwà.
Abiding in the covenant.
ó ń dúró nínú májẹ̀mú.
Noble in courage.
ó sì jẹ́.
You know what David did when a lion came to take an animal away from the flock?
ó mọ tí dáfídì ṣe nígbà tí kìnìún kan wá láti wá gbé ọ̀kan nínú àwọn ọ̀dọ́
To
àgùntàn.
protect and to defend an animal, David went out and he smote that lion.
láti dáàbò bo ẹranko lásánlàsàn dáfídì jáde lọ láti lọ pa kìnìún yìí.
If David was so courageous in defending an animal, how courageous are you? How noble are you in defending your wife?
bí dáfídì bá gbójúgbóyà tó bẹ́ẹ̀ gẹ́ láti lè dáàbò bo ẹranko báwo ni ìwọ ṣe gbójúgbóyà tó láti dáàbò bo aya rẹ.
Protecting her in society.
kí o máa dáàbò bo ní àwùjọ.
Protecting her with the
kí o
in-laws.
máa dáàbò bo níwájú àwọn
Protecting her with the
kí o máa
children.
dáàbò bo pẹ̀lú àwọn ọmọ.
Then you are dependable for contribution to family needs.
nígbà náà o jẹ́ ẹni tó ṣe é fọkàn tán nínú pípèsè fún àìní ẹbí náà.
Then the third part is loving and caring.
ipa kẹta náà ni fífẹ́ràn àti títọ́jú.
Love is so essential and central in marriage.
ìfẹ́ ó jẹ́ eléyìí tó gbogbo orókè nínú ìgbéyàwó.
Already we have been talking about all these things and everything is wrapped up in the paper of law.
a ti wá ń sọ̀rọ̀ nípa gbogbo nǹkan wọ̀nyí a sì wá di gbogbo rẹ̀ sínú egbìnrín ìfẹ́.
And then for those of us who have been married for
fún
long,
àwa tí a sì ti gbéyàwó fún ìgbà pípẹ́.
you enjoyed your marriage when you started.
o gbádùn ìgbéyàwó rẹ nígbà tó
But
ṣẹ̀ṣẹ̀
God
bẹ̀rẹ̀.
is saying today I have something against you.
ṣùgbọ́n lónìí ọlọ́run wípé mo ní nǹkan wí sí
You
ọ.
have left your first
o
love.
ti fi ìfẹ́ rẹ̀ ṣe.
When love goes out of the marriage, the light will go out and darkness will come.
nígbà tí ìfẹ́ bá kúrò nínú ìgbéyàwó òkùnkùn yóò wọlé.
Let's repent.
ẹ jẹ́ ká ronú
Let's
kúrò.
bring back the love of God in the
ẹ
marriage.
jẹ́ kí a mú ìfẹ́ ọlọ́run padà wá sínú ìgbéyàwó
I
náà.
will be able to walk in the light of God's sunshine in the home.
a ó sì lè máa rìn nínú ìmọ́lẹ̀ ọlọ́run tó ń tàn nínú ilé náà.
Rise up and let us pray.
ìdè dúró kí a gbàdúrà.
If you are married, examine your marital relationship with all that we have learned.
bí o bá ti ṣègbéyàwó ìwọ ṣe àyẹ̀wò ìbáṣepọ̀ ìgbéyàwó rẹ pẹ̀lú ohun gbogbo tí a ti kẹ́kọ̀ọ́.
You wife, how are you making it?
ìwọ aya báwo ni o ti ń ṣe.
God's grace is available for you.
oore ọ̀fẹ́ ọlọ́run wà fún ọ.
God will help you.
ọlọ́run yóò ràn ọ́
God
lọ́wọ́.
will support you.
ọlọ́run yóò tẹ̀ ọ́.
God will give you the grace to be the wife you ought to be.
ọlọ́run yóò fún ọ ní oore ọ̀fẹ́ láti jẹ́ irú ìyàwó tí.
My brother, husband, how are you making it?
ìwọ arákùnrin mi tó jẹ́ ọkọ báwo ló ti ń ṣe.
Are you as you ought to be as a husband?
ǹjẹ́ o jẹ́ bí ó ti yẹ fún ọ láti jẹ́ gẹ́gẹ́ bí ọkọ.
Holy,
mímọ́,
understanding,
tí olóye,
strong as you care in
tí
companionship.
o lágbára bí o ṣe ń tọ́jú ẹlẹgbẹ́ rẹ.
Are you blameless
ǹjẹ́ o jẹ́ aláìlẹ́gbẹ́.
in conduct at home and everywhere?
nínú ìhùwàsí rẹ nílé àti níbi gbogbo.
Are you abiding in the covenant, cutting all relationships with other women outside?
ǹjẹ́ ò ń dúró nínú májẹ̀mú náà tí o yàgò fún gbogbo àwọn obìnrin mìíràn níta.
Are you noble in courage as you defend your wife?
ǹjẹ́ o jẹ́ ẹni tí ó lágbára nínú ìmúlọ́kànlé bí o ṣe
Are you
dáàbò bo aya rẹ?
dependable in contributing to the material and physical and spiritual needs of the family?
ǹjẹ́ o jẹ́ ẹni tí ó máa ń tó ṣe é fọkàn tán nínú pípèsè fún gbogbo àìní ìdílé rẹ?
Let us ask God for the grace and He will help
ẹ
us.
jẹ́ ká bèrè oore ọ̀fẹ́ lọ́wọ́ Ọlọ́run yóò sì ràn wá